In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Dell G15 5530. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your G15 from Dell. This will work with any model, but of course, I'm going to be talking about the 5530 in this particular video. So if all you want to do is start using it right away, just plug it into a power outlet, make sure that the power brick is properly connected, and you will be able to plug it into the laptop. With this done, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. As long as it is connected to a wall outlet and receiving power, or it is sufficiently charged, it will power on like usual and you can start using it. There's no secret to this. There might be a Windows setups screen that appears for you, and you can give the laptop a username. You can set up additional options like visibility, accessibility, and so on, and set everything according to your preferences. This is extremely straightforward, so I'm not going to go over the whole process in this video. After you go through the initial setup, you might want to download additional drivers. To do this, go to the Dell support website at dell.com/support, and on the search function, look for the Dell G15 5530. When you search for this, it should be the first result to appear. And now at the left, you will find drivers and downloads. Now you can download any necessary drivers for your particular model. Keep in mind that this is not crucial to do. However, if you encounter problems or you want to be absolutely sure that you are getting the best experience possible, you can and should spend some time here to download everything. So you can sort them by importance. And when you find the critical importance updates, just run them. So you can download these files, and by running them once, the firmware will be updated accordingly. It is simple to set up and overall very intuitive. Just make sure to plug it into a power outlet using the power brick and then press and hold the power button to power it on for the first time. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Dell G15 5530. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.